Are you the fishy wine that will give me a headache in the morning? Or just a dark blue landmine that will explode without a decent warning? Give me all your true